In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Aweber. By the end, you'll know how to sign up, collect subscribers, write emails, and build simple automations that run on autopilot. Start by opening your browser and searching for Aweber. Look for the official site in the results and open it. On the home page, choose Get Aweber Free to start a new account. Follow the prompts to create your profile and confirm your email. Take a moment to complete any onboarding questions so your account is set up with the right defaults. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want is a way to collect subscribers. Head to the Sign Up Forms area. Pick a template that matches your brand, then customize the fields you need, like name and email. Keep it short to boost conversions. Adjust colors and fonts, add a clear headline and a brief description of what people will receive, and include a simple privacy note. When you're happy, save and publish. If you have a website, Aweber gives you code or a direct link to place the form where it makes sense. If you don't have a website yet, no problem. Go to landing pages and create a standalone page. Choose a template, add your logo, a compelling call to action, and your form. This page will have its own shareable link you can use on social profiles or ads to collect subscribers right away. If you already have a list, import it under subscribers, then add subscribers. Upload a CSV or TXT file, map your columns like email and name, and review your permissions to make sure everyone has agreed to receive emails. You can also apply tags during import to help you segment later. Next, let's write your first email. Go to Messages, then Drafts, and select Create a Message. The drag-and-drop email builder is beginner-friendly. Drop in text, images, buttons, and dividers. Keep your subject line clear and benefit-focused, and match your brand style. Use the preview and send a test email to check formatting on desktop and mobile. For help with wording, try Aweber's AI assistant to brainstorm subject lines or generate a short summary, then edit for your voice and accuracy. To greet new subscribers automatically, open Automations, then Campaigns, and set up a welcome sequence. Choose the trigger for when someone joins your list, add your welcome message, and space out follow-ups with delays. Finally, build more advanced flows with the Workflow Builder. Drag in actions like send message, wait, and tag to create a path. Send a welcome email, wait a day, then tag engaged subscribers. This lets you personalize what happens next based on behavior. Save, activate, and you're ready to grow with Aweber.